My primary role here at Kaba Mas is to process RMA once I receive them from the customer. The customer will call our customer service at Dormer Kaba to get an RMA. RMA is return material for authorization, and it's a number. The customer gets that number, they box their bad lock up, and they send it to Kaba Mas with the paperwork. Once I receive that paperwork, I try to reproduce the customer's issue. One of our more common failures are broken cables as a result of installation error. We can remedy this by changing out the cables, returning the locks within 1 or 2 business days after receiving the lock. The certified installers need to make sure that they are using the correct procedure when installing the flex ribbon cables to reduce the amount of cable damage. Our goal here at Kaba Mas is to satisfy the customer, to make sure they have a quality product that they can always rely on.